So this is the OnePlus 9 Pro, OnePlus flagship smartphone for 2021, and it comes with a lot of exciting features: Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, the brand new partnership with Hasselblad for cameras, and several other things which we're going to tell you about in this video as we unbox this phone and take you through all the specifications of it. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to India Today Tech YouTube channel. So let's get started. Is this the flagship smartphone of 2021? Well, it's time to find out. This is the box of the OnePlus 9 Pro, and as you can see here, it's 5G ready, as well as there is a partnership with Hasselblad for the camera. So this is one thing that we are very excited about, and we'll be testing it very soon. What it also means is that in this standard OnePlus packaging, now you have a H on the left side, which is for Hasselblad, and at the back there is some important information. First of all, what we have here is the Morning Mist variant of the phone with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Also, the phone weighs 197 grams, which is a lot, to be honest. We'll see how the balancing is. The price is not mentioned here, but we'll put it in the description box so you can get the cost of both the variants from there. Now, without wasting any more time, let me just open this and show you the first look of the OnePlus 9 Pro on India Today Tech. And here's the star of the show. Here is our flagship phone from OnePlus. Let me just remove this plastic from it, and so yeah, this is the Morning Mist color variant that OnePlus has sent us, and it looks pretty good. This is the glass bag. The new camera module which comes with the Hasselblad branding is also here. I'll just give you a closer look at it. So this is here as well. Now, what OnePlus has done here is that it has launched this phone in 3 color variants. This one, as I told you, is the Morning Mist, and all these color variants have their own USPs or highlights. In this particular case, what OnePlus is claiming is that as the light falls on this variant, you get a silverish sort of finish here, which you can very clearly see in the video. In fact, I have the OnePlus 9 here with me, which comes with a Winter Mist color variant. So this is Morning Mist and this is Winter Mist, and you can see the difference here in the build quality as well. We have already unboxed the OnePlus 9, and you can check out the unboxing video on India Today Tech YouTube channel. The other color variant of the OnePlus 9 Pro is the pine green color, which comes with a double layer matte finish. What that would do is that it would catch less of fingerprint smudges, but in fact even in this one I can't see too many smudges, so even this one does a pretty decent job. The third one is the stellar black, which would remind you of the classic OnePlus One, is what the smartphone maker is claiming. So what do you think about all these 3 color variants? Let us know in the comments section. Now, as for the weight, I told you this weighs 197 grams, but the weight seems to be very evenly distributed here. In case of OnePlus 9, that wasn't the case. In fact, I'll tell you very honestly, the OnePlus 9 feels heavier than the OnePlus 9 Pro, in fact, despite the fact that there is a difference of 14 grams between the two phones. Now, I'll keep the phone aside. We'll talk about the design and other features in detail, but for now, let me just take you through the rest of the items inside the box. Here you get a lot of paperwork. There's some safety information, there is a user manual, few other paperwork that you can read in your free time if that's what you want to do on weekend. Now, here is the 65-watt charger that you get with the OnePlus 9 Pro as well as the OnePlus 9. It's the same charger. It's the Warp charger, which has become popular among OnePlus users, and there is a Type-C to Type-C USB charging cable. Now, there's one more thing in the box which I wanted to talk about at the very end, which is this case that the OnePlus is packing, and it comes at a time when some of the other premium smartphone makers have actually removed the protective case from their phones. OnePlus is packing this pretty decent protective case. The only complaint I have is that why do you have this never settled text on the back panel? Just remove it and the phone would definitely look more better. So we'll keep all of this aside now and talk about the phone that we have in our hands. So I've set up the OnePlus 9 Pro. As you can see here, the display looks very good. In fact, the wallpaper itself is looking pretty decent on this phone, and the colors are very good. The display is punchy and all, so there is no complaints whatsoever there. As far as the numbers and specifications go, what you get here is a 6.7-inch QHD Plus AMOLED with LTPO, which is a new upgrade that OnePlus has brought in partnership with Samsung. Now, on this display, what you're getting is a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes it fairly smooth, but you also get this on the OnePlus 9 as well. Now, moving on to the performance part, you get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset on the OnePlus 8 series. There are two variants. One is the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage variant, while the other is 12GB RAM and 256GB storage variant. In both the cases, the storage cannot be expanded using a micro SD card. That could possibly disappoint you, but I think 256GB should be more than enough. Even if you like to click a lot of pictures, that should be more than enough. Now here you have Oxygen OS, which runs on top of Android 11, so very clean user interface is what you get. Not too many pre-installed apps, not too many bloatware. Now let's just test the display quality here for a second, and the advantage with this particular phone is that since it's a QHD plus display, you can actually stream content at 1440p. That is whenever it is compatible, and as you can see here, the colors are pretty good. As it is the case with OnePlus 9, what I like is that it's not oversaturated in any way.
Tested positive for coronavirus.
The screen is fairly vibrant and the display quality seems pretty good. Also, the phone comes with dual stereo speakers. So for what I'll do for a second is that I'll shut up and increase the volume so that you can hear how the phone sounds.
Yung naramdaman namin na kasi parang mayayaman lang ba yung
Now, as far as the camera goes, you have four lenses here. The main lens is of 48 megapixel. The secondary lens is a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. There's a 2 megapixel monochrome lens and an 8 megapixel telephoto lens, which was missing on the OnePlus 9. So in total, you get four lenses here along with the 16 megapixel front camera. There's a 4500 mAh battery on the phone. 65 watt charger is what you get inside the retail box, as well as the phone supports wireless charging too. Now, before we end this video, let's just quickly test the camera of the phone, and the model for the day is this skeleton. I don't have a name for it. If you guys have a name for our skeleton, you can also let us know in the comments box. I'll quickly take a couple of pictures here and see how the camera does. So what I can see right now is that the autofocus in the depth mode isn't that great. Of course, you have the, if I'll just zoom in and show you, the shot on OnePlus Plus Hasselblad watermark under it, and the photo has come out very good. I'm quite impressed with the blur effect that is there behind, and the edge detection as well. What we saw on the OnePlus 9 was that the edge detection wasn't as good, but here that's very impressive. And this is a normal photo without the blur effect at the background, and it has also come out pretty decent. Now we'll be testing the camera, of course, over the next few days and bringing out a lot more image samples. Also stay tuned for our full review of the OnePlus 9 Pro on India Today Tech YouTube channel. So now this is the OnePlus 9 Pro, and I must say that it looks like a very good smartphone at this point. The new partnership with Hasselblad is very promising and something to look up to. There's also the new chipset, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. So we'll be putting this phone to test over the next few days. So stay tuned for a full review. And those who like to read than watching videos, you can also go to the India Today Tech website and read the first impression of the OnePlus 9 Pro.